Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, the daily newspaper of Tuesday, August the 13th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3 Stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain, the JigSaw Sudoku and the 4 Stars Sudoku. In this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this one, the 4 Stars Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, the Tour de France Femmes, females. Yeah, it's in Holland, the Tour de France, yes. Alright, let me start with this one, number 9082. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Should be 24. 4 stars puzzle is always 24. This one is 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this row, so no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. We have a pair again, 7 and 5 in this row, 7 and a 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 7 and 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 7 and 5, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. And look, we have a 7 and 5 in this column, so no 7 and 5 in this box. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in the last row. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 in the last row. Should be there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in the last row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in the last column, so no 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this last row for number 4. 4, 4. 6 and a 9, okay. Then, let me see. 8, 3, 2. 2, 2. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a pair. The 2 in one of those 2 boxes, and the 4 in the last column, the 2 and the 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for 3 should be there. 6, 6. I need a 1 and I need a 5. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. This box should be a 9. 9, 9, 9. Okay, need a 4 here. 7, 7. Need a 7 there. Need a 2 there. Need a 3 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Yeah. 2, 3. Need a 9. Well. Need a 2 there. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3, 5, 9. So that should be the 1, 8, 1, 8, and the 7. One of them is, yeah, 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left is 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1 and the 6. That means 1 digit left in this big square. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For number 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. Oh, 8. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So row above, the only place left the 5 should be there. 1, 6. I need an 8 in this row. Yeah, here came an 8. We have 8 in this big square. No 8 there. So the 8 cube here could be there. 5. Need a 4 here. Need a 4. Come on. Need an 8 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this one. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column. 8 in the first column. So the column 3. The only 2 places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 8, 1, 6. Here can be 6, 8, 8 and a 1. How about? Need a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for 4, a should be there. I need a 1 in this big square. We have 1 in this second column, so no 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7 and that 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, so the 9 could be here, could be there, and the 7 could be everywhere. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. Yeah. Yeah. Need a 7 here or 7 there. Well, we need a 7 here or there. I cannot place the 7 there because we need a 7 in one of these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in that row, no 7 there. The only place left is 7 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 2 here. 1 and 2, 1 and 8. 7, 1 and 2, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left is 4. Could be here, could be there. 4, 1, 7, 4, 1, 7. Yeah. Need a 3. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. Okay. Need a 3 here also. 3 in this column, 3 in that middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, and 3 could be here, could be there. 5, 6, 7. How about the 1? Well, 1, 7, 4. Could be 1, 7, 1. Here can be 7. Could be 7. About these 3 missing numbers, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Need a 5, 5, 8, and need a 9. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. Well, we have a 5 in this one, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there, and the 9 could be everywhere. 8 and the 9. 1, 2, 5. I need an 8 here. 5, 9. Wait. 5, 9. 1, 8. 5, 9. Well, I need a 5 in the second row. Well, I cannot place the 5 here. So the only place left of the 5 should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Mark those 2 boxes with a 9. We have a 9 now, so this can be a 9 more. That box should be 9. I've eliminated here the 8. The 8 should be there. I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. So 1, 2, and I need a 4 here. Well, 4 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 4, here we have 4. That means in this column we need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1, need a 2, need a 8, 2, 8. And 6, 2, 8, and 6. 2, 8, and a 6, and look, we have a 2 and a 6 here, so this box should be an 8. So the 2 and the 6 are left here. Okay, 1 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. Well, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in that column, no 9 in that box. So the 9 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 9 and 3, 9 and 3. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 2, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 in this row, so this box should be a 6, and that box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. Then let's see. Here 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so this can be 9 anymore. That box should be 9. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 or a 2, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So well pleased with time. I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.